Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about object-oriented programming. So, let's first see the difference between VB6 and VB.NET. VB 2010, which is a VB.NET platform, is a very much similar to VB6 in terms of interface and program structure. Their underlying concepts are quite different. The main difference is that VB 2010 is a full object-oriented programming language. While VB6 may have OOP capabilities, it is not fully object-oriented. In order to qualify as a fully object-oriented programming language, it must have three core technologies, namely encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So let's first see the polymorphism. Object-oriented programming allows procedures about objects to be created whose exact type is not known until runtime. For example, a cursor may change its shape from an arrow to line depending on the program mode. The routine to move the cursor on screen in response to mouse movement would be returned for a cursor, and polymorphism allows that cursor to take on whatever shape required at runtime. So this is about polymorphism. Now let's see encapsulation. Encapsulation refers to the creation of self-contained modules that bind processing function to the data. The user-defined data types are called classes. Each class contains data as well as set of methods which manipulate the data. The data component of class are called instance variable, and instance of class is an object. Now let's see inheritance. Classes are created according to hierarchies, and inheritance allows the structure and methods in one class to be passed down the hierarchy. That means less programming is required when adding function to complex system. If step is added at the bottom of hierarchy, then only processing and data associated with that unique step needs to be added. So everything else about that step is inherited. So this is about inheritance. There is no more difference between VB6 and VB.NET, but main difference between the VB and VB.NET is object oriented. VB6 is not a object oriented, but VB.NET is a pure object oriented language. So this is about object oriented programming in Visual Studio 2010. Thank you.